Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make air cloud Play-Doh. And all you're going to need is a half a cup of hand lotion, which I'm using this one because it works better than the others. Food coloring, and I'm using purple, like violet. And 1 cup of cornstarch. In a spoon and a bowl and a glove if you want to use one. I'm using one because I have an appointment later. So we're going to take our half a cup of lotion. Maybe. That didn't sound good. Down. Okay, that should be good for the lotion. And put your lotion in here. Take your food coloring. I'm eat up with mosquito bites. Between mosquito bites and poison ivy, I don't know what's the worst. We're going to get some food coloring. Get my spoon down in there. We're going to mix it in there. Ooh, look how pretty. This dough is going to look nice. Make sure it's all well blended in with your lotion. Ooh, look how pretty that is. That's the color I want to do my hair. I just haven't got brave enough to do it yet. And you're going to take 1 cup of cornstarch. That'll go on. You're going to dump half the cornstarch in. I don't know what that was. Just going to dump half of it in here. Oops. You're going to mix it around. Get it well combined. I don't know what I keep hearing. You're going to add the other half cup. Make sure it's well combined. You might have to add some more corn starch. A little bit more. Not a whole lot, just a little bit. Here's either another cat running around outside that don't belong here. We got a raccoon in here in the workshop. Keep hearing something. I'm just gonna make sure it's well combined. Not good, guys. These are my gloves, might I add. Oh yes. You don't want to add too much corn starch. That's hard to say, because if you add too much, it will get stiff and you won't be able to do anything with it. Now I'm just going to rake the sides down and get all that cornstarch out. Oh, I just broke my bowl. There you go. Oh yeah, I broke my bowl. But that's okay because it came from the Dollar Tree. That's why I use these bowls. Because I really don't want to use my good ones. Because I really don't want to go to the main house and get bowls when I'm down here working. We have some cool videos coming up within the next week or two. We're just waiting on some material that I ordered that's taking forever to get here. But yes, here is the Air Cloud Play-Doh. Smack it. It's not too bad. I love that color. Whoops. That's the color I want to do my hair. I just haven't got the guts to do it yet. But when I do, I'll let y'all know. I won't even take you along with me. But there you have it. Thanks for watching.